buddies are gonna have so much awesome fun at the beach today since it's a really hot day. Once again.
Oh, for sure we are gonna have such a blast. We brought so many activities with us to the beach. I don't have a clue on where to start first.
Don't worry, William. There is no need to choose which activity we can do first. Since we got this whole day to ourselves, we can easily do them all in one fantastic beach day.
Now we just need to wait for our favorite trio to arrive so we can get this beach day on the road.
Very funny to mention them, Chucks, because I believe I see them coming up here, right about in a matter of seconds.
Hey there, you six. Sounds like we have made it to the right spot on this beach. Are you guys ready for a fantastic day in the sun together?
You betcha we are pumped up for our special kickoff to summer. We got a bunch of beach activities that can easily keep us entertained the entire time we're here.
Let's just get some sunscreen on us before we can actually get to enjoying our beach time, since the sun is mighty strong today.
Later!
Man, that sunscreen feels so nice and smooth, especially when the sun's really, really hot. Now we're all ready for a relaxing, stressless day at the beach.
Well then, you seven can go ahead and enjoy your beach fun. Me and Lil'Petey are gonna stay back, since we'll be enjoying our time together like a duo.
Sure thing, Hank. You and Lil'Petey enjoyed your best buddy time together. We'll be by the ocean if you two need us.
Hey, Lil'Petey, do you have the list of beach activities we're gonna do together? For sure, Beach Bro. I came up with a great day ahead of us, so if we're gonna do them all in one day, we'll need to get started right away. The first thing we'll do together is to hunt down some really pretty seashells located in the sand. Pretty swell start to our Beach Bro day. So what are we waiting for? Let's track down some of the prettiest seashells that are located around this beach.
Countless searching later.
Would you look at these, Lil'Petey? I was able to locate some of these seashells from that side of the beach. And I gotta say, these shells are such really colorful since a lot are either red, blue, or yellow. And check out the ones that I have found near the water. These shells are also really colorful from the looks they got. Boo, yeah. Based on these shells, our first beach activity was such a success. So what's next in store for the two of us? Next up in the list, it's hitting the waves, and to surfs. Up. Come on, Hank, let's grab our surfboards and head to the ocean. Last one in the water is a rotten egg.
After all of that...
We're hanging time, and we're riding the waves. This is the most joltsomest part of our beach day so far. You're for sure, we are so, having such a great time as a beach bro duo. Now, watch me try out a back, flip, and attempt to surf, upside down. Tee-hee-hee, look at me. I am upside down, while riding the perfect waves. And look at me as well. I am surfing, sideways, while hanging onto my trusty surfboard. We're having so much fun surfing that I think we're about to wipe out. Woohoo! That was such an incredible time surfing on those waves. We are such professional surfers even at young ages. Say, Lil'Petey, why don't we dance to the Hula for our next beach activity? That is actually the next thing we were gonna do together. so that will indeed be a yes in my book. So let's get swimming back on the beach, and get our hula dance set up.
Later! Again?
Would you look at this? We look so much like Hawaiians that live in the islands of Hawaii. Say, Lil'Petey, are you ready to dance to the hula? You for sure I am, Hank. My grass skirt is on. I got my special necklace. We're ready to dance like Hawaiians. So let's get this hula dance started. Amazing hula dancing. Not only are we professional surfers, but we're also professional hula dancers. So what is next in our beach activity list? I have saved this one for last. And that is, to build a fantastic duo sandcastle. So let's grab our pails and shovels and get to work, Beach Bro. Now that is what we call the perfect sandcastle ever. We did so incredibly well with this amazing castle, Beach Bro. Well done, best buddy in the entire world.
Hey there, you two. How have you guys been doing lately? We haven't been able to check on you guys sooner since we're having so much fun together.
We were just wrapping our special beach day together, like two young beach brothers. We went surfing on the waves, tracked down some cool seashells, danced to the hula, and built this really cool sandcastle.
Wow, sounds like you two were having the time of your lives. No wonder you two didn't meet us during those hours. You were both having all sorts of beach fun.
And
The fact that both of you guys are the youngest in our group, it makes you both such a really adorable beach duo in the end.
And that is why we appreciate their great personalities and their lovable hearts. What a swim, sensual duo Pink and Lil'Petey are.
Say you two, what else are you both gonna do now since this beach day isn't over yet?
Same thing as always, relaxing on our beach towels and soaking up the beautiful sunshine. We'll be right by our spot if you guys need any one of us. Ah,